Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and again we have today another unboxing and first impression, this time of a Festina watch. So if you're new to this channel, basically I try to have as much unboxings, reviews, watch comparisons as possible so that I build up a database for a lot of affordable watches under 500 euros, dollars, or some of my personal watches that I will also be showing in the, let's say, process, and also some watches like this one that RZE sent me to test out for a week, and I will be also doing a review on it. So check this out. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and hopefully you enjoy this video. So let's get this out. So the usual, we have a certificate of guarantee and we have the watch here. So as you can see, I chose this time a Festina watch with some complications. It is at the end of the day a quartz watch, but nonetheless, the price and everything seemed really good. So I thought, why not show it for everybody to decide by themselves. A little bit on the bigger side. So this is one for our, let's say, more big wrists viewers because of the 43 millimeters diameter. This is the F16822. That's the reference number -3, around 125 pounds. Now on offer on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description with 101 euros. And let me get the caliper. So we have here the caliper. So we have the diameter, which is 43 millimeters. Lug-to-lug is 50.5 and thickness is 10.5. And I think lug width, that's 22 millimeters. Yeah, 22 millimeters. The watch itself should be around 90 grams of weight. On Amazon it's right 30, but that's not 30 grams. I can feel it. As you can see, folded clasp, folded bracelet, which is quite bad, and it has a stamped clasp as well. And so as I said, it's a quartz watch, and it has here sticker on the dial. So let me take this sticker off so that you're able to see the dial much better. So why I chose this one? Because it has a really cool complication. So I have the day and the date. So I have the date on the 6 o'clock with the retrograde function. So let's make it work. So as you can see, the day moving on the 12 o'clock and the date. So as you can see, the retrograde function. And you have running seconds on the 6 o'clock and a 24 hours indicator on the 9 o'clock. So you have a lot of complications for the money. And this watch was actually released in 2015. And I think it's one of these watches that look really nice on a big wrist. I have this watch now to test it out as well. I have a 17 centimeter wrist, and I think this watch would be a little bit too large on my wrist for a dress watch. Actually, it does actually quite. I think it fits also because of this female end links on the strap, on the bracelet, which makes it much more easier to wear. And also the thickness is quite low, so that's why you'd be able to wear it even with a 17 centimeter wrist. I wouldn't wear it if I had a smaller wrist than 17. But yeah, each of us has their own tastes. But I think this is more geared towards larger wrists, larger than 17 centimeters, so around larger than 6.7 inches. And I think it's a really nice watch. You have even some lume on the hands so that you're able to read it at night. So I think this would make a really perfect office watch or a weekend watch for going out, although it has only 5 bars. So that's why I'm saying it's a office watch or going out watch if you want to elevate your collection with affordable watch. And Festina makes really nice watches, and as you can see, I have a nice case shape with a little bit of protruding lugs and polished all over. The crown is without any logo or inscription, and on the back side you have the usual Festina logo and some text on it to complete the picture. So that's basically the unboxing of this watch. If you're interested in any other Festina watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. If you have any question about this watch or any other watch, also leave it in the comment section. We'll be glad to help out and answer right away. So see you in the next one and have a great one. Bye bye everyone.